Lava Culture, an exotic and organic enterprise. Find out what we're up to in India. I'm your hostess, Vaidehi Amir.
So far, while we've done a brief overview of some of the ingredients we're going to be using for our perfume line, Lava Culture is going to be exploring the Indian marketplace and seeing what it is that India is really known for. What ingredients does it provide? And we're going to go into the marketplace and have a look because we don't only want to explore what we have available for our perfume line, but for other products in Lava Culture's line. So we're going to be taking a look at rugs, for example, clothing, jewelry, and we're going to go check out the cloth merchants and the jewelry dealers. So you're going to be following us next week during those explorations, and we hope you have a lot of fun. And we're going to be comparing the research that we find live in the marketplace with the research that we might find on the internet.